A pest control friend's secret. Place coffee on a paper towel, along with a bit of ground cinnamon, just like you see here. Then, apply Vicks VapoRub to the corners, being careful not to tear the paper. This trick will be your ally on hot days. So pay attention and don't miss a single detail. Now, roll the paper carefully, and our tip will be ready. I imagine you're curious, wondering what it's for. I'm about to show you. Finally, place it in a glass container. It can be a mason jar, or even a drinking glass. Next, light one end of the paper. This gets rid of mosquitoes immediately. Just a little is enough to knock out cockroaches and flies. Place it in strategic spots around your home and watch the insects disappear. And if that weren't enough, it also leaves a pleasant smell throughout the house. Give it a try. You're sure to love it.